So I just got to Portland. I haven't been in my shop, obviously, since the last time I was here. But while I was in California, my husband just filled it full of an estate sale that he went to. Well, I can open the doors, so I feel like that's a good sign.
Not gonna lie, I might keep this chair. I love it so much.
There's a set of 6 of these chairs here.
They all have different seats, but look at this. The chair has a friend.
You guys,
It's a rocker.
I'ma die. And then there is this glorious hutch.
Oh, there's no glass. The lock seems to be in good condition, so I'll just find a key that will work. Oh my goodness.
That is exciting.
This sweet little bed back here. Oh man. Also this. Okay, this is hard to see. This is the top of it right here. I'm in love, and I have the best husband ever.